In this video, we will discuss about some types of graphical representation of ungrouped data. These are line plot, scatter diagram, and stem and leaf plot.
First, a line plot. A line plot can be defined as a graph that displays data as points or check marks above a number line that shows the number of times the value appears in the dataset. Here is an example of a line plot. Here we have the names of students as well as their ages. Thinking about how many students of each age here do we have? Now we will proceed doing a line plot. In order for us to know, first we need to draw a horizontal line. We need to start writing the age from youngest to oldest. Then all you need to do now is to put a check mark or a dot to their corresponding ages. This is an example of a line plot. Next is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a tool for analyzing relationships between two variables, for determining how closely the two variables are related. One variable is plotted on the horizontal axis and the other is plotted on the vertical axis. So here is an example or a simple example of a scatter diagram. So here we have the tables that represents the hours of studying and the scores they got in exam. Then we need to make table which contains the hours and the score of the students. The hours of studying will be the independent variable, while the score will be dependent variable. Given the scores and hours, we need to plot it accordingly, just like this. So this is an example of scatter diagram. Lastly is stem and leaf plots. These are methods for showing the frequency with which certain classes of values occur. In a plot where each data value is split into leaf, usually the last digit, and the stem, the other digits. For example, 32 is split into 3 as the stem and 2 as the leaf. So now, let's say we have this set of numbers. Then make two column tables, S for stem and L for leaf. Then we need to arrange it from 1s to 10s, 10s to 20s, then 30s to 40s. First number is 3, so 3 means 0, 3, 0 for stem and 3 for leaf. Then number 5, 0 for stem and 5 for leaf. Then we have here number 12, 1 for stem and 2 for leaf. Number 13, 1 for stem and 3 for leaf. And so on and so forth, and you will end up with something like this. So this is an example of stem and leaf plot. To sum it up, we have discussed about some types of graphical representation of ungrouped data, which are line plot, scatter diagram, and stem and leaf plot. That's it. Thanks for watching.